Let's start designing shoes post. Bring a background and adjust it. Write a text with font agency FB. Apply bevel and emboss with texture on text. Bring main object in center and adjust it. Apply drop shadow to it. Make a rectangle in black and copy it and place on other side. Write another text with font to then mount. Write another text with same font. Make a rounded rectangle and put behind order now text. Bring a logo in PNG and change its color to white. Thank you for watching.